Good afternoon, everyone. We are the group 4 and our topic is electronic information. Electronic information may be broadly defined as the information stored in a medium which requires an electronic device to read, access its contents. Information stored in different electronic media such as floppies, magnetic tapes, CD-ROMs, DVDs, flash, pen drive, hard disk, opaque, online documents including online journals, and etc. constitute electronic information. The one example of electronic information is magnetic tape. Magnetic tape is a medium for magnetic recording made of thin, magnetizable dating on a long arrow strip of blast. Second, Integrated Library System or ILS is an enterprise's resources planning system for a library used to track items, bills paid, and patrons who have borrowed. The electronic media is considered to be the best media for information storage as it has many advantages such as huge storage capacity. First is the data security. Second, space saving. Third, easy to handle, search, retrieve, transfer, and etc. Electronic information resources are defined. Source can be available information resource which can access via computer. Evolution of electronic information resources. Throughout the 20th century, libraries integrated new formats into their collection, which include microfilms. In the 1930s, audio-visual materials in the post-World War II era, and CD-ROMs in 1980s. During the last decade, electronic journals, electronic books, the World Wide Web or WWW, and full-text databases have emerged as important forms that present numerous challenges of libraries. Resources. Electronic resources evaluation often take place at the micro level, evaluation of specific resource rather than the macro level evaluation of an entire collection of resources. Here comes the advantage of information resources electronic. Electronic information resources offer today's user different opportunities from their predecessors. Bupai state that advantage of networking for the users as being the information needed can be delivered from the most appropriate source to the user. The user can specify his or her needs dynamically. The information is obtained when it's wanted, so becomes just in time rather than just in case. The user selects only the information needed to answer the specific question. Electronic information can therefore provide a number of advantages over traditional print-based sources. So the impact of electronic information resources on library services. Developments on IT have helped libraries to provide accurate and timely information. Apart from compact storage and system of information, retrieval has and when required safe sources, sharing arrangement with other use cell. Libraries, email, fax, internet, intranet, and such other is yet another. The advantage of IT revolution now with the help of CD, ROM, databases, and internet It is possible for a user to do a comprehensive literature survey and review within the few hours or few days by selecting appropriate databases once in field of research. Special libraries. According to A.G.S. Josephson, a special library is a library that covers a single definite subject or a definite group of related subjects. According to UNESCO, state that corporate form of a special library as these libraries may be attached to various bodies such as parliament or a government department, a scientific or other research institution, a learned society, professional association, museum, industrial association, chamber of commerce, and etc. Special libraries. R.S. Hutton, special library is a collection of information covering a specific subject or field of activity and in charge of someone trained in its application. F. Ridley, a collection of information covering a specific field which may be administered by a special staff and service of limited clientele. And then introduction, libraries can be broadly classified into four different categories, namely national libraries, second, public libraries, third, academic libraries, and the fourth is special libraries. In the case of the first three categories, the nomenclature of each one is self-explanatory. So, in the purpose of special libraries, the need of special libraries was felt for three major reasons. There are three major reasons of felt in special libraries. First is the rapid increase in the volume of literature, books, journal, and non-book material, increasing specialization in all branches of science, physical, social, and technology. The need to have quick access to the vast amount of literature. The scientists in R&D organization are required to keep abreast of latest developments in the areas specialization mainly for two reasons. First, to get information which may be useful in connection with their current research program, and second, to avoid duplication of the work that had already done in other organizations. So they are the function of special libraries, defining the objectives of all libraries in conformity with the objectives of the parent body and drawing up plans and adoption of programs to achieve these objectives, more specifically acquiring library material that would respond to the information requirements of the organization, organizing and storing the acquired of material appropriately to facilitate quick and pinpoint access to the documents. So the importance of electronic information in special library, the development of science and technology lead changes in various fields and walk of human life. It also helped the libraries and publishing companies to change their product from the print to electronic form. This led to increase in use of electronic database and internet browsing for search of scientific and technical information. In this regard, special library play a critical role for the development of skills of scientists and research scholars with the help of internet services and the advantage of conducting a study on electronic information resources. A brief presentation of the evolution from the written documents paper format to the Electron dock information services include microfilm, CD-ROM, and the internet. It is also interesting to understand how libraries and publishing companies have changed their products and services to answer in user needs. So the benefits low cost than print to produce, use and manage cost, effective distribution, and environmental quick and easy updates, and end resources searching for services offered such as easy and other books, fax, help agencies, and acts as a gateway to internet. So it accessing electronic information. So why we need to access or the process of obtaining data from or transferring data to a storage device. Register of RAM when used it is broadest since this term encapsulates the purpose of library librarianship, enabling people to identity, locate and use the information that will meet their educational, occupational, and personal needs. Librarians espouse principles of free inquiry and intellectual freedom. So accessing electronic information resources. In this present information age, almost all the special libraries provide information resources in electronic form. An increasing number of them are now available in electronic from different user groups. Professional and others, those who are involved in information industry, assess information depending on the requirements and the purposes. So the requirements of for accessing electronic information, one of the major developments in libraries and information system in the past 15 years is the advent and spread of electronic information resources or EIRS service and networks, mainly as a result of developments in information communication technologies. So the hardware, computers for servers, stand-alone terminals for APAC and other in-house operational activities, the scanner for digestion of books, manuscripts, journals, research reports, publication, and etc. Printers, providing printing services to user after searching, electronic information, report generation, and providing receipt and library in-house operational activities. To sa DVD, CD, ROM driver servers for searching databases which are CD, ROMs, and the DVD. Networking equipment, switches, hubs, modems, routers, cabling, and etc. Providing for browsing internet such as well in-house operation like acquisition, circulation, technical processing, and OPAC, and etc. Barcode scanner, providing service for circulation, issues and returns, stock verification, and etc. And the software, operating system, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Linux, and etc. Library software that contains all the feature of house operation as well as web-based technologies like PMH, Mark 21, Dublin, Car, attachment of digital contents and other international standard, and etc. Internet browser, Internet Explorer, Netscape, Navigator, etc. for browsing internet as well as library. This web-based other software for searching CD-ROM DVDs, software which are provided with hardware like scanners, printers, barcode scanners, and etc. The last is the networking. The network requirements complete networking with LAN cords and LAN cables, cabling RJ45, jackets, switches, hub, modems, router, and etc. For library, in-house operation searching library database through OPAC and CD-ROM servers. Internet connectivity for browsing electronic information like e-journal, e-books, ATDs, online databases, web page, digital material, databases of network libraries, and etc. That's all, and thank you.